Yeah, yeah, it's there with you. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching the second Doctor Who special for the 60th anniversary. I'm Xavier, and you're gonna be following me along this journey. Alright, so today the special is called The Wild Blue Yonder. I think that's the name. Let me start. You obviously know the name already. Alright, so last week we got introduced back to Donna, and we see Tennant as the 14th Doctor. We get introduced to Donna's family. We see her husband, we see her daughter Rose, and we find out that in order to save London last time, Donna had to become the Dr. Donna again, but she was saved from the mental crisis because her the energy, Time Lord energy, was also split between her and her child, so that helped to save it off, and then together they let go of the energy. I'm not sure I'm really a fan of that way. I think just saying that the energy was split between them was enough to, once they completed the task of stopping the meep, that would have been enough to trigger, they did everything to stop the meep, and then bam, the energy dissipated because it split between them. That could have been enough. That should have been enough in my view, but RTD thought different. But anyway, it's fine. Today we're gonna move on to this new special. At the end of the last one, Donna dropped some coffee in the TARDIS, and then that triggered some explosions and all that, and fire and all that, and at the end of the day, they're gonna be split anywhere in time and space, and so that's where we're going today. Synopsis says, the TARDIS takes the Doctor and Donna to the furthest edge of adventure. To escape, they must face the most desperate fight of their lives, with the fate of the universe at stake. Let's get into it. England, 1666.
I think I shall hie me to yonder apple tree, there to contemplate the mysteries of God's universe.
Well, don't come back until you've had a very good idea, sir.
I shan't. Good day, Mrs. Merridew.
Okay then. This guy's supposed to be Isaac Newton.
What the devil?
So you, Sir Isaac Newton?
Sir Isaac.
Oh, not yet. Spoilers.
River song.
Spoilers.
You can appreciate
The gravity of the situation.
Whoa,
Sorry, gotta go. Bye.
The gravity of the situation. So corny.
What was that delightful word? Shavity, havity,
Gravity.
mavity.
Consequences? Right, I was right. Wild Blue Yonder. Are all three gonna be written by Russell T. Davies? Wow. Did not expect that. It's not alright.
Is it bad?
Yes. I'm pretty sure it's bad.
It was brand new. Sorry.
Not your fault.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Wild Blue Yonder, which means the TARDIS plays a war song.
There.
Maybe a war song because you're in a war zone. Could be that.
We just landed. By accident. Hope that's okay.
Ominous music? That's not good. Bit of adventure, eh?
But Mavity,
Yeah?
Ah, the consequences. Mavity is now the name.
Isaac Newton hot.
He was, wasn't he? He was so hot. Oh. Is that who I am now?
Well, it was never that far from the surface, mate. I always thought... You can get it back, though.
Somebody stole a TARDIS. Somebody stole it? Oh boy.
Doctor, you can get the TARDIS back, can't you? Use the Sonic.
The Sonic was with the TARDIS, yeah.
No.
Sorry.
No. Okay.
Guys, just regroup. You guys got this. Just chill. Take a chill pill.
But that means we've landed in the middle of hostile action.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's something on this ship that's so bad the TARDIS ran away.
Yes. This is Bean. Oh, it's a robot.
He said all I was about to say. Damn. I was just about to say it's a robot, you know.
I think it's just old.
Yeah, it looks...
Primitive, if you don't mind me saying so, Jimbo.
I'm sure he doesn't mind. Or it.
Time slowed down.
No. I feel it in my bones.
Alright, okay. Mr. Special, right there. You'd feel it in your bones.
Life signs. None.
Oh,
Just an empty chair.
okay.
The spaceship seems to have powered down. Basic functions. Someone opened an airlock door 3 years ago.
The robot? Whoa, that's a cool ship. Not gonna lie. Very cool ship.
Oh, I'm sorry, Noah.
You can't
TARDIS was out of control. It's taken us
to the end of time or something like that?
to the edge of the universe.
Okay, yeah.
If the universe is everything, then the concept of an everything having an edge is kind of impossible. But that's the language of 21st century Earth, and you don't know anything yet. Not being rude, you just don't.
Oh, yeah, okay, fair. I get it.
Boolean flat mathematics. You'll discover it's possible.
Cambodian flag.
Nothing. At the edge of creation.
Is someone in Cambodia gonna discover it? That's why it's called Cambodian mathematics. Mathematics.
You can stand in my garden and look at the light from stars a billion miles away. So where's the light?
Over there. Just hasn't reached us yet. No one ever has. Not ever. Till us. And this ship.
It's an airlock door that opened 3 years ago. And closed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Must have been just settling.
Nope. There's something here with you.
No signs of life. Are you absolutely certain?
There is something.
Is that stuff dangerous?
No. I don't think so.
But okay. I would not taste it. No. I would not taste it. No, not me.
No.
That's evil.
I hope you get to know him.
I hope so too.
I hope so too. I hope so 3. Wait.
It's getting cold. I haven't turned the heating off on a stay. You were fast.
I did what you said.
That's not Donna.
Still its outcrop. By the sea.
Oh, this is intriguing.
Arms are too long.
I suppose it is a bit fiddly. Could you pop back and finish it?
My arms are too long.
Yeah.
You alright?
My arms too long. Look.
It's okay. I'm here. I've got you. whatever this is, we can...
It's not Donna.
You Donna?
No, it's not Donna.
Okay, whatever shape you want to take, that's fine. You can do whatever you want. I just want to say, it's very nice to meet you. I'm the doctor, this is Donna.
How are they?
No, they're not.
Did you come from outside?
We came from the nothing.
Ah.
Things.
But you are not nothing.
Oh, I think you'll find we're quite something.
That's why they weren't registering as life forms.
Oh my god, they're growing!
Faster, I know!
Ugh. Ooh. You guys got too big. They got overexcited. Well, that's of no use anymore.
Copies with memories and mass, but what I don't get is why do they hate us?
I don't think they hate you.
If I keep shouting that one, so I'll just head up. Yeah.
Maybe that's where the people went. Oh wait, no, there are no. They says no life forms, right? Run, run. Yeah. Yeah. It's there with you. Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
So if we need another doctor with his tie, that's not me.
You're just making all this up.
I always do!
All right. Where was I born?
You were born in Chiswick.
Ah, well, no, because, strange little fact, I was born in Southampton.
Yeah, but I didn't know that because I never did. And if I didn't know that, then that means I'm real.
No, you can't go by that logic.
You don't know where you're from.
How do you know that?
Oh, she's not real. She's the nothing.
How does anyone know? How does Donna know?
Donna doesn't know that.
On Earth, when I was the Dr. Donna, I saw your mind.
Ah, damn. Thought that would have been it.
The flux.
It destroyed half the universe because of me. We stand here now, on the edge of creation, a creation which I devastated. So yes, I keep running, of course I do. How am I supposed to look back on that?
It wasn't your fault.
I know!
Okay, so we're gonna just go with the universe is still destroyed. Alright, cool. Thank you, RTD, for clarifying that.
Donna, is that you?
Yeah.
All those years, I missed you.
Definitely Donna. Where's your tie?
What?
Your tie. Where's it gone?
I took it off.
It's not on the floor, is it?
On the floor. So where is it?
Exactly. Oh, smart. Oh, this is good. I like it. Why is it good? Oh, he got it. Oh, is it good because he talked it out? I guess. Oh, it's four of them now. Damn. I was early. Much too early. Too early, huh?
But I look quite good.
Believe two completely different things at exactly the same time.
Rainbow.
Go. Come on. Stop copying and make your own minds up. Cross the line.
Oh, that's good.
Cross the line. Or count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We would feel it from so far away.
Feel what?
Your noisy, boiling universe.
Oh, okay, feel. Alright.
We could hear your lives of war, and blood and fury and hate. They made us like this.
Okay, alright. Not good, not good.
Why are they making us so scared? If they want to copy us, why don't they just sit in a corner and do it? Why terrorise us?
Yeah,
That's
why?
very aggressive.
That is.
Our brilliance.
Why provoke us?
Yeah.
Stop thinking.
Good.
Oh, this is so riveting. There's nothing happening, but it's like captivating. Wow.
And what is that?
Stop thinking.
It's so difficult.
What is making that noise?
Is that a person? Oh no, it's the
Caught in the gravity field.
Caught in the what?
Gravity field. Stuck in the system because of the captain. Oh, what did you do?
Well, they want the answers. Don't tell them.
You know my head's like Donna once I started.
She killed herself. But
What for? She hid her thoughts.
so we couldn't see.
Maximized autonomic brain function. Oh, well done, Captain! Words move the walls, so the ship is slowly reconfiguring to become a very slow bomb.
What?
The captain set the self-destruct slowly, so the words are a very slow
countdown.
countdown. I said so! I said countdown straight.
You did?
That's number 4!
I know!
But we're still on board!
I know! Stop that robot! Stop that robot!
Oh. Well, okay. That's cheating.
But a time machine would know.
Why is Mrs. Bean funny?
Because it's the name of a vegetable given to a woman. It just is.
It just is.
Doctor, come back!
Wait.
I'm me! You've got the wrong one! Don't leave me here!
What's gonna happen?
Zero.
What the? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow. Woof.
That her wrist had an extra 0.06 millimeters. Obvious, really.
Yeah, extremely obvious.
Normally, except
I invoked a superstition at the edge of the universe.
What does that mean?
The walls are thin and all things are possible. Just got this feeling.
What?
Feeling of something.
Foreboding? Is that the right word? I think it's the right word.
fine, good. Onwards.
I don't think the feeling's gone, Doctor.
You okay?
No, he's not okay.
I will be.
When?
1,000,000 years.
Oh, okay. Not that long then. Not too long to wait.
Oh, my goodness. Donna! Oh, my goodness. Hello, me old soldier.
Said he won't let us down. He'll come back and save us.
Save us from what?
And where's the family? Where's Rose? Are they all right?
Yeah, they're fine. They're safe. I've told.
Safe from
Watch, I said you save yourself.
what? What's going on? Is that plane gonna crash? Alright, so that was the Wild Blue Yonder. Oh, Wild Blue Yonder. Gotta say, wow. That was amazing TV. A brilliant episode. I have zero faults. Zero faults. I might have, a day or two or whatever, but right now I have zero faults. Immediate reaction. The story is mainly just the Doctor, Donna, the two nothings, and I am blown away. Rusty, Davies, you did your thing. I'm simply in awe. No notes, no wow. Alright, let me just wheel up and come again. Alright, so this story is I forgot the beginning. What an knock was the scene, this random wait a minute. Okay, alright. Whoa. So let's go to the start. So we got Mrs. Merridew, and she was with Isaac Newton, and he discovers gravity. He comes up with the concept of gravity as a thing to study as a science, as a part of science, right? The Doctor and Donna crash into him. They make a joke about the gravity of the situation, but he mishears it and he says gravity. When he was saying that, I thought, oh, he's gonna just go through these things, gravity, whatever, and he's come up with gravity. But no, gravity is what he thinks. And then throughout the episode, we see that Donna says gravity, the Doctor says gravity, and then but he switches back to gravity because obviously it's gravity. But then he says gravity because that's what Donna knows, because history has changed from 1666 to now. It's now gravity. And I have to wonder, did that change in combination with what he did with the salt thing that he said, that superstition thing? Is that what's causing this ruckus now that allows Toy Maker to do this thing or whatever? Because I'm pretty sure it's the Toy Maker who's gonna be is the Toy Maker we're gonna see in this third special that's coming up. Theory. Sorry, let me go back. Right, so Isaac Newton, and then the ship goes to the edge of the universe. It happened on the TARDIS goes to the edge of the universe, and they happen on the ship, and they see this robot, and it changes, and there's this words being said, and eventually it's a countdown. The Doctor said it was a countdown, and yeah, it makes sense. It's a countdown. So eventually they're exploring the world of bada bing bada boom. They're trying to reset the ship. And we see that there's this something watching that, but we don't know what it is. But the ship said no life forms aboard. But obviously, because they're life forms, so they're nothings. They're not life forms. They're things from beyond the universe. So they wouldn't register as life forms to our universe's calibrations. Right. Okay, so oh, and I love that the captain of the ship was not human. I like that touch. It makes sense now why the doctor couldn't understand them, because they're not human. Bing bada boom. Right. Yeah, so the countdown, the doctor works up the ship, they try to reset the ship, and the two nothings, they are copying the doctor, they're copying Donna, hijinks ensue, there's chases, they don't have any concept of shape and size, they keep getting things wrong. Like when the copy doctor took off his tie, and he fell to the floor, and then it disappeared because it didn't have, even though I no longer wear it, it still exists, that's the thing. And they get tricked and all this, and you get to see the brilliance of, we get to see how the brilliance of the doctor, we get to see how actually smart Donna is. I can't think of it currently, but the thing she does, she figures out that the doctor is the doctor. We're in the when they're for them. She figures out that the doctor is the doctor, and that she's her when they're all four of them together in that little room. And then they do the salting and everything. Yeah. And we finally figure out what. I like that all the questions were answered. A lot of questions, and even from Chibnall stuff, we get an answer that the universe is still half destroyed. Cool, because Chibnall did not clear the top. He did not clear the top, and that was very. Let's not talk about Chibnall's run right now. Yeah. Okay, so we get that the doctor is the doctor. Right. They figure out each other, and they try to stop the They try to doctor figures out. I can't stop these people because these things because they are clever enough to figure out how to stop me trying to get them to stop the robot who's doing the countdown, because the captain initiated this slow countdown because nothing's can't figure out the thing, so they needed to be fast. They need the scare, they need the adrenaline, they need the heart pumping and everything racing, because the faster you are thinking and reacting and everything, that's the faster they get to copy you. If they're slow, they can't do it. You have to kill yourself because she couldn't. Because that's the flaw. You can't just stop thinking. You can't just stop. You can't do it for a long time. So she killed herself. And right, but she's not the doctor. So, but the doctor has a spaceship. TARDIS and TARDIS realized, right. So they're saying it will get into it in time. That means that hostile action will be over because the ship will be blowing up, and so that's why the TARDIS comes back. Yeah. And wow, at the end when the copy Donna tricks the doctor, that was just good. Cause I thought it was like the doctor. I was like, of course, Mrs. Bean is funny because it's funny. I thought that would be the answer, but no, it's because it's the famous. The doctor and Donna were on two different wavelengths with why Mrs. Bean is funny. And so the doctor gets straight. But luckily he's an alien and realizes he can do the body calculation things, realizes that's not Donna. And so it comes back and saves some time. But oh my god, the acting of David Tennant and Catherine Tate in this. The acting of them. The despair in Donna when she thought she was gonna die. Wow. That's amazing. Like, you felt her dread, and then the doctor when he was beating the thing, when he had that heart to heart with the copy Donna, when he realized she could process everything that he did and the flux and everything. And he found it, say, I get to hug her. Someone understands what I've been through. Someone gets it. But no, it was just a copy. And he gets all this frustration. And David Tennant, you did your thing. And then Catherine said that, and with the acting. Simple brilliant. I don't. The writing. The writing was amazing this episode. I can't think of any faults. If there are any, it's very minor because everything worked out like it should. We get answers to every question that I was thinking of. Why the noises? Why the banging? Why the countdown? Why the changes? Why the robot? What these things are? And then yeah, brilliantly executed episode. Acting, direction, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. And then the pièce de résistance at the end, where we see Wilf, Bernard Cribbins, R.I.P. You are amazing as Wilfred Mott. I don't know if he's gonna show up in the next episode, the next special too. I would think so. Because they leave him off at this, but yeah. I'm glad because this is what he's been an actor for ages. I've read some of his credits and he's been in a lot of stuff. But this is what he was most known for as Wilfred Mott, and I'm so glad that his final role was as Wilfred Mott, and you will live forever in that GIF. Because I saw it on my timeline earlier this week where he's crying at the wedding of Donna and Sean. Yeah. You will live forever, man. Your legacy it's there. Big up to you, Wilf. Big up to you, Bernard Cribbins. Right. Russell T. Davies. Oh, you're doing your thing. Last episode was a nice, oh, hey, nostalgia, bring you back. And this one, oh, you, my sir, you good sir, are a showrunner, you are a writer. And that's it. Amazing episode, 10 out of 10. I'm thinking one of the best episodes of Doctor Who I've ever watched. I might change my mind in the future, but right now, that's what I'm thinking. 10 out of 10, no notes, no criticism. Everything amazingly done. Thank you. And those are my thoughts.